Okay, let me do it for you. Should I do it for you? So see, what you have in this is you've been given that the sum. This is the formula for the sum given. The sum of the first n terms is given by the formula Sn is equal to Pn square minus Qn, where P and Q are positive constants. Your S4 is 40. So when I put my S4, when I put my N as 4, so this will become P into 4 square minus Q into 4. So S4 is 40. 40 is equal to 16P minus 4Q. I'm substituting N as 4. I'm putting N as 4 in this. So I'm putting N as 4, this is 4. And S4 is given to be how much? 40. Correct? Now that's my equation 1. Now what will you do? You put your N as 5. So that's what? P into 5 square minus Q into 5. So S5 is going to be 65 is equal to 25P minus 5Q. Now these two equations you solve simultaneously to find out P and Q. So 65. So what will I do is, this is without calculator. You know, I hope you know how to do solve simultaneously. Or what you can do is, you can make Q the subject of formula and equate. Which way would you like? Simultaneous. So you can divide throughout by 4 then. 4 tens are 40, 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4. This you can divide by 5. 5 13, 5P minus Q. Now you can stack them one below the other, one above the other. Correct? Subtract. So this and this cancels off. So 3 is equal to P. And how much will your Q be? You put it back. So 10 is equal to 4P minus Q. So Q is equal to 2. Correct? Now 4 3s are 12 minus 10. Fine? Then U5. Now how do you find out U5? Important. Huh? If you remember how to find out U5. Your U5 S5 minus S4. You remember that formula I've given you? So S5 is 65 minus 40. That's how much? 25. 25. Huh? So important, this yeah, this formula is important. Huh? UN, the first part which is I've given you in the video that I've sent you, Sn minus 1. This formula. Is there your formula? Yes. So the third term is given to be 10 and the fifth term is given to be 16. Find a common difference. Now that number of ways of doing it. You know, one way of doing it is what you can do is you can get a simultaneous equation done. Your U3 is equal to U1 plus N minus 1. Yeah, doesn't matter because you'll get part A and B directly. So that means you're applying the formula U1 plus 2D is equal to 10. Then U5 is equal to U1 plus N minus 1, 4 minus 1 into D, which is 16. So U1 plus 3D is equal to 16. Correct? Now what will you do? This is 5, sorry. This is 5. Yeah. I subtracted my mind only. So U1 plus 4D is equal to 16 and U1 plus 2D is equal to 10. You stack them, subtract U1, 2D is equal to 6, correct? So D is equal to how much? 3. Now you substitute this D in the first equation. U1 is 4, correct. U1 plus 2 into 3 is equal to 10. So U1 is 4. Now how do you find the sum of the 20 terms? S20 n over 2 2U1 plus n minus 1 into D. So 10, 4 2s are 8, 9 3s are 27, correct? So 65, 650. So see, the first term of a geometric sequence, so U1 is 200. The sum of four terms, the sum of first four terms. Such a first of all, don't confuse geometric and arithmetic. Sometimes children don't read the question well. Okay, so sum of four terms is what did you get? So the sum of four terms is given to be 324.8. Correct? So now what are you supposed to find out? Find out the common ratio. So what is the sum of four terms? What is the formula? U1 r raised to n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Substitute. So what's the SO4? 324.8 is equal to U1. U1. 0.4, correct. R raised to 4 minus 1 upon r minus 1. Then you put in solvent and you will get r is equal to how much? Perfect. Now what do you do? Find the 10th term. How do you find the 10th term? Un r raised to, so u1 is 200, correct? R raised to n minus 1, 10 minus 1. So basically you're finding the 10th term. So 200 into 0.4 raised to 9. So how much is that? 200 into 0.4 raised to 9. 0.0524. All three significant figures. Okay, so this one you did perfectly well. So I'm just putting the answer here for your reference. So U1 is equal to minus 23. N is 50. You apply the formula. And S50 is equal to 12,325. What did I say? In this case, what you've been given? Tell me. Sum of 40 terms in the arithmetic sequence S40 is 1900. Okay, so you have to apply the arithmetic sequence formula. S40 means sum of 40 terms is 1900. So you apply the formula. S40 is equal to 1900 means your N is 40. So Sn is equal to N over 2. 2U1, we don't know what the first term is. N minus 1 into D is equal to 1900. And a U40 is equal to 106. So U1 plus 40 minus 1 into D is equal to 106. So this is 20 over here. So 2U1 plus 39D is equal to 1900, and this you can get the 20 down. Correct? So 2U1 plus 39D is equal to how much is it? 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10. Achha, and this one will be U1 plus 39D is equal to 106. Correct? So can you solve this simultaneously and find out? Yeah? Solve this two equations simultaneously and find out. Come on. U1 is minus 11. You can also do it without calculator. So you put one upon the other. 39D is equal to 95. U1 plus 39D is equal to 106. So you will subtract. So U1 is equal to minus 11. When you substitute in the equation 2, so minus 11 plus 39D is equal to 106. Correct? So 39D is equal to how much? 117. So D is equal to how much? 3.